Hi everyone, today I will show you how to enable call waiting in Android. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. We can explain call waiting like this. If we place our current caller on hold, that caller will remain on hold until he or she either ends the call, or we switch back to that call and end it. With call waiting, we can alternate back and forth as many times as we want between the two calls. Now let's move on to how to enable this service. Our first method is to activate the call waiting service from where we make the call. To do this, we click on call. After doing this, we dial *43#. After dialing, we press call. We have enabled the call waiting service. To turn off this service, we dial *43# and press call. If you do not see any notification here, these dialings may be different for your carrier. If this is the case, you can find the dialing defined by your carrier for this service by searching the internet. If you're having trouble finding it or don't want to bother with it, we'll move on to our second method. For our second method, we enter settings. Then click on apps. Click on System App Settings. Click on Call Settings. After doing this, we click on Call Waiting. And finally, we toggle on Call Waiting. Click on Turn On. We have enabled the call waiting service. If you are having trouble finding this setting on your device, you can try to find this service by typing call waiting in the search bar after entering the settings. If you cannot enable the call waiting service despite everything, it probably means that your carrier or device does not support this feature. Unfortunately, if that's the case, there's nothing you can do. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these methods useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.